Hey guys, welcome back to Ambreen's Kitchen USA. Today we are making Muttonkorma. For this recipe you will need 1 kg mutton, 2 onions, 1 tablespoon garlic and ginger paste, 1 cup desi ghee, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 cup yogurt, whole garam masala. That includes 3 cardamom, zira, 2 black cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick, 4 cloves, 1 anise star, and for garnishing, you need ginger, lemon, and green chili. In a pressure cooker, heat the desi ghee and fry the onion until golden brown. When the onion is golden brown, blend it with yogurt Keep the blended mixture aside. Now, in the same pressure cooker, add whole garam masala. Add garlic ginger paste. Add mutton. Stir it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add all the spices. And mix it up well. When the oil starts to separate, add your blended mixture. Close the lid and pressure cook it for 5 minutes. Timing may be different. Delicious Muttonkorma is ready. Enjoy!